Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok. I am from Ahmednagar. So today's our topic is what is string. So we have discussed about the string before we going to the data types. So string are including in non-primitive data types. So there are two types of data types like primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So first of all, primitive data types. So primitive data types, it is a predefined data types. So we are using in Java. So there are 8 primitive data types are including in Java. First of all, as like such as int, float, character, double, boolean, short byte. So it is a primitive data types. And the next of one, non-primitive data types. So non-primitive data types are it is not predefined in Java. So we have created the as a programmer we have created the non-primitive data types are including in array, string, class, interface, and the next one structure and union. But structure and union it's not support in Java. So but it is a non-primitive data types are including. So next up one we have discussed about the string. What is a string? So string is a sequence of character. So string is a sequence of character. So how to create the objects by using the how to create the objects. So there are two ways we are creating the string by using objects. First of all, uh, neutrals by neutrals, and second of all by new keywords. So by neutrals it means so we have declared the string s1 is equal to double quotes open welcome double quotes close semicolon close. So uh, it is a by using the literal string, by literals, and the next of one by using new keywords. So we have created the string s1 is equal to new string, uh, in bracket, double quotes open welcome double quotes close in bracket close and then semicolon close. So it is a string. By using the new keywords we are creating the string. The next of one what is a string class? So string class it's our string class are static, public static int public static string arguments int public static void string arguments, and are x implements to comparable and to serializable. And in that class we are various types of method are putting in that class. So what is a string is a we can use the string creating. There are three types of classes are using we are creating the string. First of all string, next of all string buffer, and third of all string builder. So we have discussed about the string is a sequence of characters. So what is the string buffer? So string buffer, there are some important points regarding to some string buffers. First of all, string buffer is a it is a synchronize, and then next of all string buffer is a thread safe, and then third point is a string buffer is a thread safe because of though we can call the methods, we cannot call the methods at simultaneously by using the string buffers. So and next of all string buffer is a less space as compared to the string builder. And then next of all, so it is some important points about the string buffers. And then next of all string builders. So string builders are there various some important points regarding to string builders. First of all, it is a not synchronized, and it is a not thread safe. And then string builder is a it is a string builder is a not thread safe because of we can call the methods call the two methods at simultaneously by using the string builder. And then next difference is next point is it is a more space as required to more space as required to as compared to the string buffer. So it is a some important points regarding to string buffer and string builders. So next of one there are some important methods are included in string buffers. First of all, two length methods, two char method, two substring methods, start index, and two substring methods, start index and end index. and then next of all to uppercase method to lowercase methods, and then next of all to start with methods to end with method to replace method to trim method. So there are various types of methods are including in string class. And then next of all there are uh, there are two types two ways way of creating the objects. First of all to SCP, and next of all to heap area. So we have take the example about the how to create the objects in heap area and SCP. So first of all we have create the string city1. String city1 is a Mumbai, and then next city2, string city2 is equal to Mumbai, and then next we are creating the city3, and city3 name is a suppose Pune. So we can change the city3 name is a Pune, so it is directly affected to first two string. First string is the city1 and second string is the city2. So it is directly affected because of we can change the third string, and it is a also change to it is a directly effect to the two string firstly. So it is all over about the string in Java. First, thank you so much.